नमस्कार मेरा कर्मयोगी परिवार को. मैं Esha Katiyar from the communication team is having a conversation with Rakshanda from the content team about 28 courses which got published by 9 content providers last week. So Rakshanda, आप क्या courses के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगी?
So last week various interesting courses have came up on the portal on different topics like art of storytelling, negotiation, critical thinking, Six Sigma fundamentals. So one interesting course is art of storytelling. So in today's world, attention is very valuable. And for that, effective storytelling is very important for professional success. So this course explains different techniques and tools through which you can communicate effectively with your audience for conflict resolutions and for better collaboration. So there are certain practical examples also in this course for better understanding of learners.
You mean case studies?
Yeah.
Okay. Do we have any course which can improve the overall performance of a learner?
Yeah, there is one course named Unleashing Excellence, the Part 2 Outstanding Performance. So this course, it is a very interactive course, and it explains certain techniques for effective time management and for developing growth mindset for for continuous improvement.
Do we have any Hindi courses this week?
Yes, one course in Hindi has came up last week. अनुशासनिक मामलों में CVC के साथ विचार विमर्श.
Okay. Any other course?
Yeah, there is one more course named Creation of Posts. So it would be beneficial for all the central government officials because it explains the procedure involved in transfer and resignation of central government officials and how the posts are created in central government. So it would be very informative for all the central government officials.
Okay, and how many domain courses we got?
So we have got 13 domain courses from BSNL, ISTM and Department of Investment and Public Asset Management.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. For going through these courses, you can log on to igotkarmayogi.gov.in. Thank you.